Arshim will come forward to tell us something about punctuality. Respected principal, esteemed teachers, and my dear fellow students, a very good morning to all of you. Today I stand before you to talk about a simple yet powerful habit that can transform our lives, that is punctuality. What is punctuality? We often think that punctuality is just about arriving at school before the bell rings or submitting an assignment by the deadline. But in reality, it is much more than that. Punctuality is a reflection of our discipline and our character. It is our way of showing respect for the time and efforts of the people around us, our teachers, our classmates, and ourselves. Imagine if the sun rose an hour late every day, or if the seasons arrived haphazardly. Nature itself is the perfect example of punctuality and order. When we are on time, we bring that same harmony into our daily routines. As the saying goes, punctuality is the soul of business. It is a lifelong virtue that builds trust and integrity. Thank you. Thank you, Arshi. Now our classmates will present a short skit on our theme punctuality. Today I will tell you the story about a girl named Ria. Ria was a very active girl. She is good in the studies, she is good in sports and other extracurricular activities. She always takes part in all activities.
The only problem with Ria is that she is never on time. She is lazy and not punctual. Because of this habit, she has to face some of the other difficulties and challenges in everyday life. One day in Ria's class, the teacher announced that there will be a surprise test tomorrow, and the marks of this test will be added in their examination.
Attention students, there will be a surprise test tomorrow and the marks of this test will be added in the examination, so come prepared for the test.
All the students are excited about the test. Ria was very excited as well as relaxed because she already learned that chapter. Ria said to her friend, I will be getting full marks in tomorrow's test because I know all the question and answer of that chapter.
That night, Ria was sitting in her room preparing for the test when her mother came into the room and said,
Ria, go to bed now because tomorrow you have to wake up early so that you can revise the question answers for the test in the morning. Yes, mother, I will sleep in 10 minutes. Okay, good night. But Ria did not sleep. Instead of sleeping, she starts scrolling the stories on her mobile phone.
she was so busy in her mobile phone that she did not realize that it is already 12 am.
Oh, it's too late. I should go to sleep now. Tomorrow I have to wake up early.
Next morning, wake up Ria, it's 6 am. You have test today at school. Oh, it's
observed that all other students have already completed the one page of writing.
Time is up. Stop writing. I will be collecting the papers. Nobody will write anything now.
Ma'am, my paper is not done. I know all the answers. Please give me 10 more minutes. Riya, it's already time. Please get your paper.
Ria was sad. Her friend asked, "How was your test, Ria?"
Was not able to complete my test. I have only done 2 answers. I don't know what marks will I get. Next day. Today I will tell you the marks of your yesterday's test. You all have done well and got good marks except Riya.
You all have scored more than 30 marks out of 50. But Ria, because you have done only 2 answers, you got 10 marks out of 50. That means you are failed in the test.
Riya started crying. Riya, don't be sad. You are a good student. You will definitely score good marks in the examination.
But by this incident, you should take a lesson that time is very important and punctuality is must in every aspect of life.
Yes, ma'am, I understood that and I promise you that from now onwards I will be punctual. We tried to deliver you a message that punctuality is really important in our life. Hope our message is conveyed successfully. Now be ready to enjoy the foot tapping dance performance.
one and all present here. Today I have a good message on punctuality, that punctuality is the key to success and time is very precious. Here is a sweet poem for you all, so listen carefully. Be on time, don't be late. Punctuality makes you great. Clock is ticking, don't you see? Every second counts for me. Reach early, start with pride. Success and you will walk side by side. Late means loss, early means gain. Punctuality breaks every chain. So children, time is the most valuable thing we have. Once gone, it never came back. Punctual people are respected everywhere. The sun rises on time, school starts on time, and train runs on time. If nature can be punctual, then why can't we? So let's take a pledge today. I will reach on time, I will start on time, and I will respect time because time respects those who respect it. Punctuality teaches us to be alert and responsible. Let's not waste time, let's use time. Let's be punctual today and every day. Punctuality means doing the right things at the right time. A punctual student becomes a successful person. So, always be on time. Now, at the end, I would like to congratulate class 6A and Preeti ma'am for the wonderful presentation of the assembly. Give a huge round of applause for